This video is going to go through problem set number 3, question 1, about the student showcase. So copying the information into the standard worksheet for problem set number 3. As part of your course union, you're planning a large student showcase for the end of the year. You are hosting the event in the student union building with no rental fees. Catering for your estimated turnout of 300 guests comes to $15 each. So this will be during the event. This will be a cost for the event. So catering. And again, to figure out the total, you'll be multiplying the number of units and the cost per unit. So 300 guests. So you opted for a cash bar that comes with fees of 2 bartenders for $20 per hour for 4 hours. So for the bartender fees, so you can do a function for equal sign 20 times 2, because you'll need 2 bartenders that cost $20 each for a total of 4 hours. And again, for the total function at the end, you can just drag that down instead of rewriting it. And then you will be providing drink ticket for each of your guests that costs you $8 each. So drink ticket is $8, and again, you're anticipating 300 guests. The venue manager tells you that you will need to pay 2 security guards at $30 per hour for 5-hour shifts to ensure the safety of all patrons. So again, 2 security guards, $30 each. So we'll do formula 2 multiplied by 30. And you will require them for 5 hours. The AV comes to a total of $1,200 for the performance portion of that evening. For that, it'll just be 1 unit, because you will just need 1 AV. And then you also secured sponsorship funding of $6,000 from your school. So that will be an ancillary revenue. And basically any ancillary revenue is revenue that does not come directly from ticket sales for the event. This could be sponsorship, this could be merch, this could be any additional sources of revenue. Okay, so now we can calculate the total of all of the expenses. So out of all of these, the fixed expenses are the bartender fees, the security, and the AV. And then the variable expenses would be the catering and the drink tickets, as those change depending on how many attendees you have at your event. Okay, so now that we have all that information, we can go back to answer the questions. So what is your ancillary revenue for the proposed event? So for the event, you only have the sponsorship as ancillary. So again, the formula for this would be just sum of all variables. Don't really have to do this, but it comes to a total of $6,000. What are the total pre-production expenses for the event? So there actually are no pre-production expenses for this event. All of them are production operating expenses. And then the total expenses are, you only have the operating expenses, so all you have to do is just add those two together. So again, you can just do equal sign, click on the fixed and the variable, add those together, so it's $8,560. And do you have enough money to host the event with just sponsorship money? So we have 6,000 in sponsorship, and we have a total of 8,560 in expenses. So we do not have enough money to host this event. Thank you for watching.